Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We have completed the first lesson representing the earth. Today, I want to give
Yes.
a brief summary of the lesson focusing important points. So you should be very careful in the class. After the brief summary of this lesson, I'll be asking some questions. I'll call your name and I'll be asking some questions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We started social science with the first chapter representing the earth. As we all know, huge size of the earth, right? Size of the earth is very huge. So it would be very difficult for human to study about earth. To make it easier, to make our study easier, we use two important tools to represent the earth. They are, one is map and other one is globe. This is the introduction of the lesson. Next we discuss what is a map. In simple words, we can define map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Next we discuss three different types of maps. First one, political map. Political map gives us information about the borders of countries and states. National capital, state capital, and other cities. Information about other cities. Second one is physical map. It helps us to understand landforms and important oceans. It helps us to understand height of different places. Natural regions like mountains, deserts, coastal regions, plains, plateaus, etc. Third type of map is thematic map. Thematic map gives information related to particular theme. For example, major crop cultivating area in India, major rice cultivating areas or states in India. Which state get or which all areas receive heavy rainfall? Physical map gives us information about all this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Discuss about the features of map. 5 features are there. First one is title. As you all know what is title, right? When you look at a map, you can see on the top title. That means the title explains what the map is about, what type of map it is. Is it a political map, physical map, geographical map, world map, India map, etc. Second important feature of map is key. Key means symbols and colors which used in a map. When you look at a map, you can see different colors in the map. Then you can see some symbols to show airport. Symbol of or a small pic of aeroplane you can see. To show ports, small pic of ship. Right? I think you might have seen this in map. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Scale. Scale to show how much area is covered by a map. What is the use of scale? It shows how much area is covered by a map. That is, map is always smaller than the area it represents. So, most of the map use scale to show distance. How distance a map related to actual distance. When you look at the map, you can see, have you seen Kerala in Indian map?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very small, right?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last year we had seen it.
Is that the actual size of Kerala?
What,
Is that the actual size of Kerala? No.
This
No,
best.
right?
No, ma'am.
Is the actual measurement of Kerala there? No.
No.
Map Kerala is very small, but it is not the correct measurement of Kerala. It is not the correct size of Kerala, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
grid. Grid means you can see many horizontal, vertical lines on a globe or a map. It is called grid. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Features are clear. 5 features are there. Title, key, scale, direction, and grid. Direction, as you all know what is direction, right? North, south, help us north, south, east, west direction. Next we discussed about globe. Globe is a 3-dimensional model of the earth. Or we can say it's a small or actual model of the earth. Then how does globe help us? It helps us to understand shapes of continents and oceans properly. Help us to locate position or position of places or distance between places properly. 2 important points are there. How does a globe help us study the earth? First, it helps us to learn or understand shape of bodies. Second one, the position of places and distance between those places. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell one more?
Next, we discussed about features of globe. Before going to features of globe, we should know what is an axis. Axis is an imaginary line on which globe is placed, right? Axis is an imaginary line. It is not, actually it is not vertical. This imaginary line axis is not vertical. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. I have drawn this when we discussed the class. I hope all of you remember that.
Yes,
Next, we discussed about the difference between map and globe. Map, it shows a whole earth at a time. But globe shows only one part of the earth at a time. Then with the help of map, it is easy to understand, or otherwise we can simply define like this. Map is a drawing of places, or 2-dimensional drawing of places on a flat surface. Globe, all model of the earth or 3-dimensional model of the earth. Maps provide detailed information, but globes does not provide detailed
information.
Then, map, we cannot use map for the study of rotation and revolution, but we can use globe for the study of rotation and revolution. Map is easy to carry around. Globe, it's difficult to carry around. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Then next we discussed about what are the important points and lines on a globe?
Globe.
What are the important points and lines on a globe? Then first important line on a globe is equator. Equator is 0 degree. Clear? Latitudes and longitudes always measured in degree. So equator is 0 degree. It is the imaginary horizontal line passing through the middle of the earth. You divide the earth into 2 equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Then the equator. Then second important line is prime meridian. its degree is 0. It is imaginary vertical line. Divide the earth into two equal parts, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Other
Yes, ma'am.
important line is Tropic of
Yes, ma'am, we are
Cancer
clear.
and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer is in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn is in the southern hemisphere. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes,
next
ma'am.
important point on a globe is North Pole and South Pole.
South Pole.
Two ends of an axis, right? North Pole and South Pole. I hope all of you know how to locate all important points on a globe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You should learn it. You should learn to locate all these important lines on a globe. Okay, get
Ma'am, I
ready for it.
cannot see you.
Is it clear,
Ma'am, I
dear
cannot
children?
see you.
Check
Yes,
your
ma'am.
internet connection, dear. Then next we discussed what are latitudes and what are longitudes.
Ma'am,
Latitudes.
latitude.
Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines run from east to west. You divide so many latitudes are there. Total 180-degree latitudes are there. Latitudes are also known as parallels of latitudes. What is the name?
Parallel latitudes.
Why latitudes are called parallels of latitude?
Ma'am, can Cheryl say?
They are parallel to the equator.
Ma'am.
Lines are not meeting each other at any point. Yeah? These lines
Ma'am.
these horizontal lines are not meeting each other at any point. Just parallel to the equator. Clear? Just
Yes,
parallel
ma'am.
to the equator.
Yes, ma'am.
Then equator is the longest latitude. Its degree is 0. Other than equator, some other important latitudes are there. They are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of
Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and
Antarctic
Arctic Circle.
And you have to learn degree
Equator.
of each latitude. So equator 0 degree.
Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees.
Tropic of Capricorn,
23.5 degrees south.
Arctic Circle,
3.5 degrees.
66.5 degree north. 66.5 degree south.
3.5 degrees south.
Next we learned about longitude. Longitudes are imaginary vertical lines. Imaginary vertical lines. Then one important latitude is there. It is called prime meridian. What it is? Prime meridian. Its degree is 0. Prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. This vertical line passing through Greenwich, United Kingdom. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just opposite the prime meridian, one more meridian is there. That is
180 degree meridian.
180 degree meridian.
International
International dateline.
around the world. This used
International
to calculate the dates. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
And last and finally, we discussed about the effects of revolution and heat. Right?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
Earth and revolution of the Earth has some effects. Right?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
discussing the effects of tilt of the Earth and revolution. You all know what is revolution. Revolution means Earth is moving around the sun. It is called revolution. It has some effects. It has some results. Then what are the important results of the tilt of the Earth and its revolution is all latitudes do not get same amount of sunlight. Some latitudes get more sunlight, some latitudes get less, some latitudes get little sunlight. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Equator. Equator receive more sunlight. Which latitude receive more sunlight? Equator. Clear? Equator receive more sunlight. So, latitudes between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Right. Polar region, North Pole and South Pole receives very little sunlight.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
It's very cold.
The polar circle receives very little sunlight.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am, we
ma'am.
can't hear you properly.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
voice is
Check
low.
your audio, dear. I'll call your name, then only answer to my question. Abel. Abel Astrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dear child, as we all know, Earth is very huge, right? So
Yes,
it would be
ma'am.
very difficult for us to learn Earth properly. To make this possible, to make it easier, to make the study of the Earth easier, we are using two important tools. What are they?
Maps and globe.
Very good. Maps and globes. Very good. Okay. Mute your audio. Then. Bhuvana Lakshmi. Bhuvana. What are the three types of maps? Just name it.
Map, politics map,
Yes.
physical map, thematic map.
Louder.
Political map, political map,
Political map.
physical
Physical
map,
map.
thematic map.
Thematic map. Very good. Well done. Cheryl Mary. Cheryl. Okay. What are the important features of map? What are the important features of maps?
Ma'am, it shows more
Features of map. We have discussed 5 features of map. Right? What are they? Features. Title.
Ma'am, we can't features.
Yes. Features.
Title, key,
Resume.
Ma'am, title,
Yes.
key,
No, wait,
Yes, ma'am.
Resume.
direction,
Still answering. Title.
title, key,
Key.
title, key, direction,
Direction.
grid, symbols,
Key. And grid. Very good. Very good. Repeat the answer again. Repeat it.
title,
Title.
key,
Key.
symbols,
Simples. Key is also.
direction.
We are not using the word simples. Instead of that, we use the word key.
Okay.
Key means simples and colors which we use in the map. Then
Directions and grid.
direction, scale, one more
And
is
grid. And grid.
grid. Very good. Excellent. Then, Faiz Muhammad. What is a map?
A map
Faiz,
is a
what
two.
map?
A map is a two-dimensional.
Drawing of a
Two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional.
Drawing.
I'm asking to Faiz. Who is answering in between? Yes.
Drawing.
Yes.
Drawing in a plain surface.
Drawing on a flat surface.
Surface.
Very good. Okay. Amal Krishna. Amal Krishna is it? Amna Anam. What is a globe?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a globe? What is a globe?
Shows only one part.
What is a globe? Simple sentence you can answer this. What is a globe?
Globe shows us places.
Yes, globe shows its places. Is it? Yeah, correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I
My
say?
question is, what is a globe? You have studied this in
Ma'am, can I say?
class, right? What is a globe?
Small
Your answer.
Small
You said it.
small model of Earth.
Small model of the earth. Yeah, or otherwise, we can say it's a
Three-dimensional.
three-dimensional model of the earth. Very good, Amna. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then how does globe help us to study the earth? How does the globe help us to study the earth? Rudra. Rudra, unmute your audio.
Ma'am,
Yes,
a globe
Rudra.
helps us to understand the shape of countries and water bodies on
Very
Earth.
good.
It also helps us to see the position of place and distance.
Places and distance between them. Very good, very good. Well done. Then, what are the features of a globe? What are the important features of a globe? Ambrose, what are the features of globe? Ambrose, unmute your audio and answer to my question. What are the features of globe?
Ma'am, can Amna tell?
Wait. Let him finish. Let him complete his answer. Ambrose, unmute your audio, Ambrose. I know you are listening me. Unmute your audio. What are the features of globe, Ambrose?
Prime meridian.
And we can know the movement
Yes?
and we can understand the shape of the earth.
Yes, we can understand shape of earth.
Ma'am, we can know the whole world. We can know the
Yes.
names of the
Yes.
places.
Then we can understand the coordinates. We can turn the globe on its own axis and
Yeah,
what
there is an axis, imaginary
Ma'am, we
line,
can-
right? Globe is turned on its own axis. This axis
Ma'am, we
is
can
not
know the
vertical.
latitudes
It
and
is
longitudes.
at an
see the
angle of
directions.
23.5 degree, right?
the axis of a globe is not vertical.
Very good,
And
very
we
good.
can see
The globe
the
shows
directions of the earth.
lines has
Good.
shape of
Jalen, what are the differences between? Explain differences between maps and globe.
we can see the whole earth at a time in a map.
Map, very good.
But in the globe, we can only show the one side.
Only one part of the earth at a time. Very good. Then
And we can carry the map easily.
we can carry the map. We can carry it very easily. Very good. Then what about globe? Is it easy to
Globe
carry
is
globe?
hard to
It is difficult to carry around.
Difficult to carry around. Very good. Then
It can, a map
Will
can
analyze your
provide
handwriting.
We can
details
study
from the map
about
easily.
rotation and revelation.
Map
Globe
can
also
re-
study
map
rotation.
can provide
we can
detailed
study-
information.
Very good.
We can
Map
study
can
rotation
provide
and
detailed
revelation.
information in the map. Globe can provide
Tell
map
information.
cannot Map does not provide detailed information as
Very good.
it
Map
shows
can
the
only
whole
provide,
earth.
right? Continuous
ma'am.
answer. Very good, very good. Then I'll call Amna. Amna raising. What Amna? You know there's difference between globe and map?
We can study about
Okay, very
revolution
good,
and
very good.
rotation.
Ma'am, I will tell, ma'am.
Very good. Bilsa. Bilsa, what are the important points and lines on a globe? Just name. Name.
Ma'am, important points are
Yes.
equator,
Very good. Equator.
latitude and longitudes,
Latitudes and longitudes are there. Okay.
then
Before that, what we
Tropic of
learn?
Capricorn,
Yes. Tropic of Capricorn.
Tropic of Cancer,
Tropic of Cancer.
then
Equator.
Arctic Circle.
Equator.
Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle,
Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle,
Not Antarctic Arctic Circle. It's there. All
Equator.
the
Equator.
But
Equator.
like
Equator.
one more
Equator.
important vertical line is there. What is that?
Prime,
Meridian.
Very good, very good. Prime meridian. What is the degree of prime meridian?
180 degree.
80 degree.
Here, what is the degree of prime meridian?
0 meridian.
10.
Ma'am.
Important lines, what are they?
Ma'am.
Equator and prime meridian, both are 0 degree, right? Then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, North Pole and South Pole. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lisa, can you repeat?
what ma'am?
Can you repeat the same?
Uh,
Important points and lines on a globe.
Equator. Tropic of
Equator,
Cancer.
Prime,
Tropic of Capricorn.
Others, keep quiet.
Which meridian?
Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn,
Very good.
Equator.
Top.
Prime meridian,
Yes, you said it.
Equator. Equator.
North Pole and
And
South
South
Pole.
Pole.
Very good.
South
Thank you. Very good. Very good. And next we learn latitudes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Names are there. Tropic of Cancer, but you have to learn degrees also.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to learn degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Longitude. Total longitude. Total 360 longitudes are there. Right? 10
Yes,
degree
ma'am.
prime meridian is there. This also known as
Great circle.
is also known as prime meridian is also known as
Greenwich meridian.
Greenwich meridian. Why it is called Greenwich meridian?
Ma'am, it is ma'am because it passes through Greenwich.
Through Greenwich in United Kingdom. Very good. There is one more line is there, right? Zigzag line. What is the name of it?
International dateline.
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 80 degree meridian.
It calculates the dates.
Very good. I hope all of you understood this lesson, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I have sent you notes.
Ma'am,
Hope all of you have copies.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You did not send this question, 20th question, and
Yes, yes, I will
17,
send it. I'll be
18,
sending it to
19.
your children. Don't worry. I'll be sending it. Okay.
Yeah.
You are writing
Some
all
questions
answers,
are
I know in
missing,
your
ma'am.
workbook, but at
Some
the same
questions
time,
are missing.
You have to be thorough with it, right? You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
be thorough with this chapter. The next class, I'll give you an oral test.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, dear children.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,